In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Recaptcha on Google Chrome. If you're stuck in an endless verification loop, seeing verification failed messages, blank Captcha boxes, or try again later errors, don't worry. These issues are usually caused by browser settings, extensions, cookies, VPNs, or your network. Follow along and we'll work through the most reliable fixes step by step. First, reload the page. Captcha sessions can expire quickly, and a simple refresh often brings the challenge back to life. Press Ctrl+R or click the refresh button in Chrome and wait a moment for the page to fully reload. Next, make sure Chrome is up to date. Older versions can break Recaptcha. Click the three dots in the top right, go to Help, then About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them. When it's done, restart the browser. Staying updated closes bugs that commonly trigger Captcha errors. If that didn't solve it, temporarily disable your extensions. Ad blockers, privacy tools, pop-up blockers, script blockers, and even VPN extensions frequently interfere with Recaptcha. Type Chrome /extensions into the address bar, then toggle extensions off one at a time and test Recaptcha after each change. Start with ad blockers, VPN add-ons, and privacy or security tools. Ensure JavaScript is enabled. Recaptcha won't load without it. Go to Chrome/settings/content JavaScript and confirm that sites can use JavaScript is turned on. Clear cookies and cache to remove corrupted data that can cause endless loops. Open Chrome/settings. Clear browser data, select cookies and other site data and cached images and files, then click Delete Data. Restart Chrome afterward. Note that this may sign you out of some sites. If you're using a VPN or a proxy, turn it off temporarily. Google may flag that traffic as suspicious. Try disconnecting your VPN, disabling any proxy settings, or switching to another Wi-Fi network or a mobile hotspot. Some users find Recaptcha fails when third-party cookies are blocked. Open Chrome, Settings, Cookies, and temporarily allow third-party cookies, then reload the page. You can switch this back later if you prefer stricter privacy. Test in incognito mode with Ctrl+Shift+N. If it works there but not in normal browsing, an extension or cached cookie is likely the culprit. Still stuck? Reset Chrome settings. Go to Chrome/settings, reset, and choose. Restore settings to their original defaults, then restart. This disables extensions and clears temporary data, but keeps your bookmarks and saved passwords. Finally, reset your network and IP. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run ipconfig-release, then ipconfig renew, then ipconfig flush DNS. Restart your PC and your router to get a fresh connection. If you need more guidance on updates, check the official Google Chrome help. With these steps, Recaptcha should be working again.